Hey everyone, Murtaza here with Heartbeat, and in this video we're going to talk about how to set up a digital product inside of Heartbeat. Let's dive in. Now for this community, what I want to do is I've got these exclusive marketing templates that I want to be able to offer to my members, and I'm going to charge $50 to be able to get access to it. So people that are in my membership can see this, they want to be able to click purchase and then get access to it while they're in the community. So the first thing that I want to do to create this digital product is I'm going to go ahead into my admin settings down here in the bottom left corner of the community. I'm just going to configured by clicking this configure payments option. And then I can see that I've got Heartbeat payments connected. If I don't, this is where I would connect to my Stripe account. Takes like 2 clicks and 30 seconds, very fast process. Next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go into this offer section over here and I'm going to create an offer for this digital product, this templates that I'm gonna offer to my members. So I'll click create offer over here. And the first question is gonna ask me, hey, what are you creating? So I'm just gonna select a digital product over here. In this product, I'm gonna go ahead and give it an offer name. This is gonna get really helpful when you have like multiple offers over here. So over here, I'm just going to type in, let's say, marketing templates. Now, the product type, it's gonna ask me what type of content I'm selling. I'm not selling a course, so instead I'm just gonna choose an access group. What's nice is this access group, I'm gonna set it up, but then I'm gonna like tie it to this marketing templates document section. So when you get access to the access group, you automatically get access to the documents. So I'm just going to name this access group and we're going to call this, marketing templates. And then I'm going to also add in a description. This is going to be user facing. So I want to just make sure that it's something that, users can see and understand. And I'm just going to say, get 100 plus marketing templates for email copy, ads, landing pages, and more, right? And I'm just going to copy this in case I need to use it again later. Now, to actually set up that access and like that automation where you jump into the group and now you get access to these templates, I'm going to scroll down to this access section over here. And I'm just going to scroll down until I find my exclusive templates over here under the document sections. I'll click over here on this little arrow and that's going to go ahead and add it to the access section on the right. And so now I've got these templates, you join the group and you'll automatically get access to the templates. So the way this whole kind of setup is going to work is we're going to make an offer. The offer is really like what's attaching that price point. So you pay, you'll automatically get access to like the marketing templates group, which is tied to the exclusive templates. Now, this is kind of like a long flow, but the benefit of this is I could like make this marketing templates and I could give access to like a couple different things, right? Like I could give access to templates, but then I could also give access to a specific channel where I'm adding new templates every week, right? So it allows me to like play around and have more flexibility in my community. And the reason why we want to attach an offer to it is like maybe today we want to charge $50 to be able to get access to this template, but maybe we do a holiday sale over Christmas. And during then, we're going to offer these templates for $25. So this way I can create a second offer. It's tied to the same group, so it all acts the same and it's all tied together nicely. But that way I can track the revenue through like offer number 1 versus offer number 2 as I'm playing around with just like my revenue optimization here. So I've got all this set up, I've got the access set up and everything like that. The very last thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is set up my price point. So we said $50, so we'll go ahead and add $50 over here, and it's going to be a one-time price point. Now, I could even actually set up installment plans if I wanted to over here. So if I wanted to like also add in another price, I could do that. And I could say, maybe if $50 is a lot, we can break it up into $25 installments and we'll charge that 2 times monthly, right? So I could do that as well too. For $50, maybe this doesn't make as much sense, but if I'm charging like $500 for these templates, then maybe something like this makes more sense. But this way I've got, this payment set up, just $50 one time, and then you get access to these templates. And then I've also got it on just the US dollar, but I could change the currency over here if I wanted to. Very last option that I have is I can even add in like a name your price option over here. This builds a little bit more inclusivity in as I'm building this out. And then I could add in like a minimum price and a suggested price, right? So this slightly changes the little pricing settings section over here. I'll turn this off just for simplicity, but this gives you like a good sense of all the different settings you have when you're building out this digital product. Finally, on the offer setup page, this is where I have a little bit more that I can set up over here. I could add a quantity limit. Maybe I'm like limiting this and I only want 50 people to be able to purchase this, just creating a little bit more urgency to get people to buy this. I could add in an expiration date for these templates as well of like, hey, you have to purchase these templates before February 7th, otherwise they're like gone forever. And then I could even add in some like social proof if I want to like build out like larger landing page sections around this. Pretty easy for me to do that too. I've already got that set up in my general settings, but I'm going to go ahead and turn that off over here. Last thing that is toggled on over here is the turn on in-community upsells, which is what I want turned on. What this is going to do is now it's going to display that little card with the marketing templates to all of the like people that have not purchased it, and it's going to have a little lock icon on top of it. And so when people click into it, we want them to see some upsell content where now they can click to unlock it, purchase it, and get access to it. So to set that up, I'm just going to click this edit content right below the upsells option. So I could add in a video. Maybe I want to just showcase here are some of the cool templates that are in here. I've already got some videos uploaded into Heartbeat, so I could grab one of my existing videos right over here. I'll go ahead and grab this first one and select this video over here. And then I could go ahead and add in a title and a description. So over here in my title, I'm going to say, get access to 100+ marketing templates. And then I'm going to drop in that description that I copied earlier over here too. And I'm just going to remove the first half. And I'm just going to say marketing templates for email copy, ads, landing pages, and more. And my button text is just going to say unlock now. I could even add in a testimonial if I wanted to. So I could say, hey, let's use an existing member. We'll take Joey Schmoey. And then I'm going to add in a testimonial for Joey. And I'm going to say, these templates helped me double revenue in just 2 months, right? So something that really hard sells the value of all this content. Got all this put together. And so now when members in my community are just clicking around and they see this marketing templates section, they'll click the unlock button or they'll click the view button and they'll see a upsell that looks just like this, what I'm seeing on the right over here. I can go ahead and hit the save button and I'm good to go. Now, I've got all of this stuff set up. I could add in a post-purchase redirect so that way after they purchase access to the templates, I could send them over to the first document in that set of templates. Actually forgot to make documents for this set, so I'm gonna leave this turned off, but you should turn this on if you're setting this up. And then I can also choose or remove access after a certain period of time, right? So a couple different setting options that I have over here. And then finally, I'm just going to hit this finish button in the top right. And that's about it. Heartbeat actually automatically creates a sign-up page for me because I entered in some upsell copy, so Heartbeat uses that to preset your sign-up page. So I could copy what that looks like, and then I could go ahead and open it into a new tab just to confirm and see what that looks like. And so now I'm seeing this, and yes, it does have all my upsell content, it has a lot of this, but it's nice that I do have this landing page and I can send to people, but what if I just want to send people a pricing page instead, right? Maybe I'm sending this out through email campaigns or I have a little button already on my website, and I don't want to display a whole web page around this digital product. What I could do is I could go into my sign up link settings over here. So I'm going to click sign up pages over here on the left. And I could go ahead and click these 3 dots over here to edit this link. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this. And I actually want to go ahead and turn off the whole custom landing page setup. So I'm going to turn this off. And now it's just going to turn into a payment page. So I'll go ahead and hit update over here. Now when I share my link, I can go ahead and copy this link over here, open it in a new tab and paste it and just double check. And it should just take me directly to the payment page. So yeah, now I've got directly, I'm going to the payment page over here. I could enter in my information, my credit card number, and then hit the purchase button over here on the right sidebar. So pretty easy to go through this full process. So now on my landing page, when I'm sending this out to people and they can purchase it, or I've got this included on my email campaigns or things like that, I can just drop in the link directly to the payment. They'll click pay, and then Heartbeat will automatically take them to maybe the first document in that set of templates. So with that covers everything in terms of building out a digital product inside of Heartbeat. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions as you're building out payments, feel free to reach out to our support team using that little help button in the bottom right corner of your community, or just email us at support@heartbeat.chat. Thanks so much.